Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics Grade 4, Quarter 2, Lesson 5. Our topic for today is about conversion of units of length, mass, and capacity in the metric system. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, convert common units of measure from larger to smaller units and vice versa. A. Meter and centimeter. B. Kilometer and meter. C. Kilogram and gram. D. Gram and milligram. And liter and milliliter. Second, solve problems involving the conversion of units of length, mass, and capacity. Let us have first a short review. Answer this in your notebook. Addition and subtraction facts. Multiplication and division facts. Activity number 1. Materials needed: pictures of pencil, notebook, book, blackboard, tree, etc. At least 10 objects and glue or paste. Instructions. A. Divide the class into 4 to 5 groups. Give the materials and instruct them to listen carefully to the instructions. B. Ask learners to select the appropriate unit of measures for the length of each of the following objects. C. Let them paste the pictures of the objects on the centimeter column and meter column. D. Let them collaborate until they are done with the task. E. Post all the group's output on the board. And F. Determine commonalities and differences in their answers, then ask them why they pasted these objects in the centimeter column and the meter column. Let's have another activity. Ruler or meter stick. Using the same groupings, give each group an actual meter stick and a ruler. Let them recognize the difference between the two measuring tools. Using the previous activity or activity number 1, ask them the following. Number 1. Which measuring tools is best to use to measure the length of the objects? Why do you think so? The answer: a meter stick or tape measure is best for measuring long objects because they can measure longer distances. Number 2. Is it convenient to measure the blackboard using a ruler? Why or why not? The answer, measuring the blackboard. It's not convenient to use a ruler for a blackboard because it's usually too big. A meter stick is better. Number 3, let them look at the centimeter side of the meter stick. How many centimeters are there in a meter stick? The answer, there are 100 centimeters in a meter stick. Unlocking content area vocabulary. First is length. Length measures the size of the object or the distance between two objects or locations. Next is meter stick. A meter stick is a measuring tool used to measure the length of an object. It is 1 meter long. Let's now go on with our first topic about converting units of length. Before we start, let us define first metric system. The metric system is a standard way to measure length, weight, and volume using units like meters, grams, and liters, making it easier to compare measurements around the world. The meter or M is the basic unit of measure for length in the metric system. Thus, to convert from meter to centimeter, you multiply the number of meters by 100. On the other hand, to convert from centimeter to meter, divide the length of the object in centimeters by 100. The prefix kilo means 1,000. Therefore, 1 kilometer means 1,000 meters. In symbol, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. To convert from kilometer to meter, you multiply the number of kilometers by 1,000. On the other hand, to convert from meter to kilometer, divide the number of meters by 1,000. Example number 1. How many centimeters are there in 8 meters? Solution: 8 times 100. The answer, 800 centimeters. Example number 2. How many meters are there in 6,000 centimeters? Solution: 6,000 divided by 100. The answer, 60 meters. Example number 3. How many centimeters are there in 135 meters? Solution: 135 times 100. The answer, 13,500 centimeters. Example number 4. How many meters are there in 12 kilometers? Solution: 12 times 1,000? The answer, 12,000 meters. Example number 5. How many kilometers are there in 52,000 meters? Solution, 52,000 divided by 1,000. The answer, 52 kilometers. Lesson activity letter A. Complete the following table. Centimeter to meter and vice versa. Number 1. 900 centimeters is equal to 9 meters. Number 2. 1,400 centimeters is equal to 14 meters. Number 3. 25,000 centimeters is equal to 250 meters. Number 4, 17 meters is equal to 1,700 centimeters. Number 5, 400 meters is equal to 40,500. Lesson activity letter B. Complete the following table. Meter to kilometer and vice versa. Number 1, 54,000 meters is equivalent to 54 kilometers. Number 2, 1,400 meters is equal to 14 kilometers. Number 3, 202,000 meters is equal to 202 kilometers. Number 4, 182 kilometers is equal to 182,000 meters. Number 5, 405 kilometers is equal to 27,000 meters. Letter C, true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1, meter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the distance between Manila and Cebu City. The answer is false. Kilometer is a more appropriate unit for the distance between Manila and Cebu City. Number 2, 57 kilometers is equal to 5,700 meters. The answer is false. 57 kilometers is equal to 57,000 meters. Number 3, 743 centimeters is equal to 7 meters and 43 centimeters. The answer is true. Number 4, 10 meters and 69 centimeters is less than 10,690 centimeters. The answer is true. Number 5, 42 kilometers and 690 meters is greater than 42,690 meters. The answer is false. 42 kilometers and 690 meters is equal to 42,690 meters, which is not greater than 42,690 meters. It is equal. Learners' takeaways. To convert from meters to centimeters, multiply the number of meters by 100. To convert from centimeters to meters, divide the number of centimeters by 100. To convert from kilometers to meters, divide the number of kilometers by 1,000. To convert from meters to kilometers, divide the number of meters by 1,000. Our second topic is about converting units of mass and capacity. Activity number 1. Materials needed. Pictures of a smartphone, a sack of rice, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a coin, a bundle of fruits, etc. At least 10 objects and glue or paste. Instructions. A. Divide the class into 4 to 5 groups. Give the materials and instruct them to listen carefully to the instructions. B. Ask learners to select the appropriate unit of measurement for the mass of each of the following objects. C. Let them paste the pictures of the objects on the gram column and kilogram column. D. Let them collaborate until they are done with the task. E. Post all the group's output on the board. F. Determine commonalities and differences in their answers, then ask them why they pasted these objects in the gram column and the kilogram column. Activity number 3. Group activity. Materials needed: pictures of a gallon of water, a glass of milk, a cup of soy sauce, a pack of juice, water in a swimming pool, water in a pail, etc. At least 10 objects and glue or paste. Instructions. A. Divide the class into 4 to 5 groups. Give the materials and instruct them to listen carefully to the instructions. B. Ask learners to select the appropriate unit of measurement for the mass of each of the following objects. Letter C. Let them paste the pictures of the objects on the milliliter column and liter column. Activity number 3. Big class interaction. Using common household products, example sugar, show 4 250-gram pack in the class. Show them a weighing scale and introduce the numerical values in the scale. And here are the guide questions that we need to answer. Letter A. How many grams do I have if I add 2 250-gram pack of sugar? The answer: if I add 2 packs of 250 grams sugar, I will have a total of 500 grams. Letter B. If I have 4 250-gram packs of sugar, how many grams do I have in all? The answer, if I have 4 250 packs of sugar, I will have a total of 1,000 grams, which is equal to 1 kilogram. Letter C. Let learners put a 250-gram pack of sugar on the weighing scale. Ask them if the pointer of the weighing scale is in the 1 kilograms mass. When we put one 250-gram pack of sugar on the weighing scale, the pointer will not be at the 1 kilogram mark. It will show 250 grams. Letter D. Let them add the other 250-gram pack of sugar until the pointer of the weighing scale is in 1 kilogram mass. As we add the other 250-gram packs of sugar to the scale, we will keep adding until the pointer reaches the 1 kilogram mark. Letter E. How many grams do I need to get a 1 kilogram mass? To reach a 1 kilogram mass, I will need a total of 1,000 grams. Activity number 4. Big glass interaction. Materials. At least 2 500 milliliter bottles, 2 1-liter bottles, and food color. Show at least 2 bottles of water with a capacity of 500 ml or milliliters with mixed food color, 1 bottle of water with a capacity of 1 liter with mixed food color, and an empty bottle with a capacity of 1 liter. Here are the guide questions that we need to answer. Letter A. How many 500 ml bottles of water do you think can fill up the empty 1 liter bottle? The answer, 2 500 ml bottles can fill 1 liter bottle. Letter B. After testing your hypothesis, can a volunteer use the funnel to pour the water from one of the 500 ml bottles into the empty 1 liter bottle? Please stop pouring when the 1 liter bottle reaches its capacity. Now, can you compare it to the other 1 liter bottle filled with water? Was your hypothesis correct? Here's the possible answer. Yes, the hypothesis is correct because it takes 2 500 ml bottles to fill the 1 liter bottle completely. Unlocking content area vocabulary. Mass. Mass is the amount of matter an object contains. Weighing scale. A weighing scale is a measuring tool used to measure the mass of an object. Capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold or contain. Gram. Gram is the basic unit of measure for the mass of an object, while liter is the basic unit of measure for capacity or amount of liquid in the metric system. The prefix kilo means 1,000. Thus, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. The prefix milli is used to express smaller units. Thus, 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. Mass conversions. First, to convert mass in kilograms to grams, multiply the number of kilograms by 1,000. Second, to convert mass in grams to kilograms, divide the number of grams by 1,000. Third, to convert mass in grams to milligrams, multiply the number of grams by 1,000. Fourth, to convert mass in milligrams to grams, divide the number of milligrams by 1,000. Capacity conversions. First, to convert capacity in liters to milliliters, multiply the number of liters by 1,000. Second, to convert capacity in milliliters to liters, divide the number of milliliters by 1,000. Worked example. Mass. Example number 1. How many grams are there in 25 kilograms? Solution. 25 times 1,000. The answer, 25,000 grams. Example number 2. How many kilograms are there in 48,000 grams? Solution, 48,000 divided by 1,000. The answer, 48 kilograms. Example number 3. How many milligrams are there in 12 grams? Solution, 12 times 1,000. The answer, 12,000 milligrams. Example number 4. How many grams are there in 32,000 milligrams? Solution, 32,000 divided by 1,000. The answer, 32 grams. Worked example for capacity. Example number 1. How many milliliters are there in 83 liters? Solution, 83 times 1,000. The answer, 83,000 liters. Example number 2. How many liters are there in 504,000 milliliters? Solution, 504,000 divided by 1,000. The answer is 504 liters. Lesson activity letter A. Complete the following table. Grams to kilograms and vice versa. Number 1, 3,000 grams is equal to 3 kilograms. Number 2, 14,000 grams is equal to 14 kilograms. Number 3, 207,000 grams is equal to 207 kilograms. Number 4, 131 kilograms is equal to 131,000 grams. Number 5, 29 kilograms is equal to 29,000 grams. You can check the solution here. Lesson activity letter B, milligrams to grams and vice versa. Number 1, 67,000 milligrams is equal to 67 grams. Number 2, 12,000 milligrams is equal to 12 grams. Number 3, 202,000 milligrams is equal to 46 grams. Number 4, 65 grams is equal to 65,000 milligrams. And number 5, 106 grams is equal to 106,000 milligrams. You can check the solution here. Lesson activity letter C. Complete the following table. Milliliters to liters and vice versa. Number 1, 21,000 milliliters is equal to 21 liters. Number 2, 282,000 milliliters is equal to 282 liters. Number 3, 108,000 milliliters is equal to 108 liters. Number 4, 89 liters is equal to 89,000 milliliters. And number 5, 24 liters is equal to 24,000 milliliters. You can check the solution here. Lesson activity letter D. True or false? Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1. Kilogram is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the mass of one medicine tablet. The answer is false. Milligram or mg or gram or g would be a more appropriate unit for the mass of a medicine tablet. Number 2, 46 kilogram is equal to 4,600 grams. The answer is false. 46 kilogram is equal to 46,000 grams. Number 3, 23,253 milliliters is equal to 23 liters and 253 milliliters. The answer is true. Number 4, 15 grams and 257 milligrams are less than 152,573 milligrams. The answer is true. Number 5, liter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the capacity of a gallon of water. The answer is true. Learners' takeaways. First, to convert mass in kilograms to grams, multiply the number of kilograms by 1,000. Second, to convert mass in grams to kilograms, divide the number of grams by 1,000. Third, to convert mass in grams to milligrams, multiply the number of grams by 1,000. Fourth, to convert mass in milligrams to grams, Divide the number of milligrams by 1,000. Let's now go on with our third topic about word problems involving conversions of units of length, mass, and capacity. To solve word problems involving conversions of units of length, mass, and capacity, the following steps are followed. First, what are the given facts? Second, what is asked? Third, what is the number sentence? And fourth, what is the answer to the problem? Worked example. Example number 1. Ben has 3 meters of wire. How many 25 centimeter wires can he make out of his material? First, what are the given facts? Ben has 3 meters of wire and he needs to cut 25 centimeters of wires out of it. Second, what is asked? How many 75 centimeters wires can he make out of his material? Third, what is the number sentence? 3 meters is equal to 3 times 100 centimeters. 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. Number of cut wires? 300 divided by 25. What is the answer to the problem? Number of cut wires is equal to 12. The answer? There are 12 25 centimeter wires that can be cut out of 3 meters wire. Example number 2. In a fun run, the distance between the start and end is 12 kilometers. Every water station is placed at 1,500 meters. How many water stations are there in all? First question, what are the given facts? The distance between the start and end is 12 kilometers. Every water station is placed at 1,500 meters. Second, what is asked? How many water stations are there in all? Third, what is the number sentence? 12 kilometers is equal to 12 times 1,000 meters. 12 kilometers is equal to 12,000 meters. Number of water station is equal to 12,000 divided by 1,500. Fourth, what is the answer to the problem? Number of water stations is 8. The answer, there are 8 water stations along the 12-kilometer fun run. Example number 3. You put the following grocery items in your cart. 7 cans of tuna flakes, 6 packs of instant noodles, and 2 packs of sugar. Each can of tuna is 200 grams. Each pack of noodles is 100 grams. And each pack of sugar is 500 grams. How many kilograms are there in the cart in all? Questions. What are the given facts? There are 5 cans of tuna flakes, 3 packs of instant noodles, and 2 packs of sugar. Each can of tuna is 200 grams, each pack of noodles is 100 grams, and each pack of sugar is 500 grams. Second, what is asked? How many kilograms are there in the cart in all? Third, what is the number sentence? Total mass in grams in the cart is equal to 7 cans of tuna times 200 grams plus 6 packs of noodles times 100 grams plus 2 packs of sugar times 500 grams. Total mass or kilograms in the cart is equal to total mass in grams divided by 1,000. Fourth, what is the answer to the problem? Total mass in grams is equal to 1,400 grams plus 600 grams plus 1,000 grams is equal to 3,000 grams. Total mass in kilograms in the cart is equal to 3,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 3. The answer is the cart carries a mass of 3 kilograms in all. Example number 4. A watermelon weighs 8 times as much as a mango. Each mango weighs 250 grams. If there are 2 watermelons and 8 mangoes in a basket, what is the total mass of the basket in kilograms? Questions. What are the given facts? There are 2 watermelons and 8 mangoes in a basket. Each mango weighs 250 grams and a watermelon weighs 10 times as much as mango. Second, what is asked? What is the total mass of the basket in kilograms? Third, what is the number sentence? Mass of 8 mangoes is equal to 2,000 grams. Mass of 2 watermelons is equal to 5,000 grams. Total mass in grams is equal to 2,000 grams plus 5,000 grams is equal to 7,000 grams. The total mass in kilogram in the basket is equal to 7,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 7. The answer is the basket carries a mass of 7 kg in all. Example number 5. 24 people each bought 350 milliliters of soda in a grocery store. How many liters of soda were sold? What are the given facts? 20 people each bought 350 milliliters of soda in a grocery store. What is asked? How many liters of soda were sold? Third, what is the number sentence? Total capacity in milliliters of soda sold is equal to 7,000 total capacity in liters of soda sold equals 7,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 7. Fourth, what is the answer to the problem? Total capacity of soda sold is 7,000 ml. Total capacity of soda sold is equals to 7,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 7. The answer is there are 7 liters of soda sold in all. Reflection on learning. The battle between sachets and bottles. Look at the prices of shampoo sachets, a 350 ml bottle of shampoo, and a 1 liter bottle of shampoo. Ask your parents to help you in determining their prices in a grocery store. And here are the guide questions that you need to answer. First, how many sachets of shampoo are needed to reach 350 ml? 1 liter. Second, about how much do you need to spend on the total of sachets of shampoo for 350 ml of shampoo for a 1 liter of shampoo? Third, if you are going to buy your shampoo, which of the three is more cost-effective and environmentally friendly and why? Let's now go on with formative assessment. Fill in the blanks. Let us have first the conversion methods before the answer. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. And here are the answers. Number 1, 12 liters. Number 2, 82,000 grams. Number 3, 14 meters. Number 4, 13,000 milligrams. Number 5, 154 kilograms. Number 6, 134 kilometers. Number 7, 15 grams. Number 8, 9 kilometers. Number 9, 800 kilograms. And number 10, 157,000 milliliters. Letter B, solve the following. Show your complete solution using the steps provided earlier. Problem number 1, Anna has 24 meters of lace. She needs to cut it into small laces, each measuring 40 centimeters. How many 40 centimeter laces are there in all? And here is the answer. There are 60 pieces of lace. Problem number 2. There are 50 packs of grocery items in a box. Each pack weighs 300 grams. How many kilograms are there in a box? And here is the answer. There are 15 kilograms in the box. Problem number 3. Chris is mixing 2,000 ml of orange juice, 3,000 ml of pineapple juice, 5,000 ml of lemon juice, and 3,000 ml of pomelo juice for his party. How many liters of juice did he prepare for his party? And here is the answer. Chris prepared 13 liters of juice. Learning activity sheet. Activity number 1, measure up. Objectives: convert units of length, mass, and capacity from larger to smaller units and vice versa. Materials needed: just pencil. Instructions: circle the appropriate unit of measure that best describes the objects. Number 1, cup of milk. The answer is 350 milliliters. Number 2, sack of rice. The answer is 25 kilograms. Number 3, pack of sugar. The answer is 500 grams. Number 4, length of blackboard. The answer is 2 meters. Number 5, distance between Makati City and Manila. The answer is 12 kilometers. Number 6, bottle of soft drink. The answer is 1 liter. Number 7, bottle of cough syrup. The answer is 60 ml or milliliters. Number 8, length of a book. The answer is 25 centimeters. Number 9, table for fever. The answer is 50 milligrams. Number 10, water in a swimming pool. The answer is 2,000 liters. Letter B, fill in the blanks. And here is the answer. Problem solving. Solve the problem and show your complete solution. Number 1, Carla bought a 6 meters long ribbon. How many 75 centimeters ribbons can she cut from her original ribbon? And here is the answer. The answer is Carla can cut 8 pieces of 75 centimeter ribbons. Number 2, a math book weighs 600 grams and a music book weighs 250 grams. In a library, there are 5 more music books than math books. The librarian noted that there are 10 math books in all. What is the total weight of the books in all? And here is the answer. The answer is the total weight of all the books is 9,750 grams. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.